Hello, I am Ashiqur Rahaman. In this tutorial video, I will show you how you can install Google Analytics 4 in your WordPress website. I will show you at first how to create a GA4 account or Google Analytics 4 account, then install this by Google Tag Manager. So stay tuned, I will show you step by step. For that, let's visit Google Analytics to open an account. Okay, it's loading. Nice. So if you're new, you will not see this page. So let's visit admin, and I will create a new account. So here create, I can see an account option. So click account. Then I have to name the account. So after clicking the create an account, you will see this page. So after that, everything will be same like me. So I am naming my account online, okay, product or organic products. Okay, so now everything I should leave as it is, then click next. Our property name, so I want to name our property as our website. So copying my website address and paste it, removing https. Okay, so the time should be as our local time, so I am leaving it as it is, and you can change this as your preference. So, and the currency will also be US dollar. Click next. Now give some details about your business. I'm doing it. Click next. Now what do you want to do? It is just a information you just need to be submit. We will do everything, but if you select this, then other thing will not unselected. So we just want to select all the items, then click create. Perfect. Accept the terms. Click I accept. So now what we want to track, we want to track our website data. So click web and paste our website address and remove the http here, because we already see https here. You can select http, but https is recommended. So stream name, that means what is the name you will see in your account. So organic products. Perfect. Now click create stream. So after doing that, what we can see, we can see a window where there is a certain information. For example, I can see the, okay, just a minute, second. So we will install it manually. So this is a code, but we just need this measurement ID or Google tag ID. So this is a tag ID. We at first need to install this tag ID on our Google Tag Manager. So let's close this, and this is our measurement ID as well as a tag ID. So just copy it. Now go to Google Tag Manager. Now this is the place we need to work the rest or the other work. So let's go to tags, then click new, then click tag configuration and click Google Analytics. Then we have to click Google Tag. First we need to install the tag. So okay, I have pasted the ID and write the name Google Tag. Triggering, it should be all pages. Perfect. Save. There is raining outside my house, so maybe you are sounding the cloud. Okay, now we have to set up a page view event. So for that, click new, then tag configuration, then Google Analytics and GA4 event. Now we have to paste our measurement ID again and name our event name. So we have to send a page view event. So that's why I'll write page underscore view. So this is our event name, and this is according to the GA4 schema. That is why we need to write this. Perfect. Click triggering. all pages. Superb. Now we just need to name GA4 page view browser site. Superb. I can we just this is why I wrote browser site, because this is a browser site, or I am sending the data from the browser site. We are not setting any kind of server side. That is why. So click save. Superb. Now we want to see our setup, that it is working or not. So click next. So continue to home. We will just see it. Go to settings and scroll down and go to debug view. Here it is. So I want to now preview that, and let's submit it. No problem. GA4 setup. Okay, continue. So now we want to preview it. Click preview. Let's see what happened. Connect. So we have perfectly enabled it. Okay, this is the Chrome extension. We just enabled it, and let's visit a page. What can we see? We see that Google tag fired, Google Analytics 4 page view also fired. Now let's see. Here we can see that the Google tag ID is fired. So I hope we will see it in Google Analytics 4 debug view. Let's wait for a moment. Perfect. We can see every data. So this is how you can install GA4 on your WordPress website, and also you can see the data in your GA4 account. So till now, this is the this is my tutorial, and I will show you advanced tutorial how to install another events, also how can you report everything. So please subscribe so that you can get all the updates. Thank you. Bye.